Hey Glam fam, what's up? So today we are doing this drugstore only tutorial, which is really easy and really affordable. In time for Thanksgiving, I have this dark lip, a nice glittery eye. Actually, the eyeshadow palette I'll be using today real fast is the Rimmel MAGNIF'EYES Crimson Edition. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. I tried it out in the video. You'll see swatches. I have the eye look. So if you want to see how this performs and some few other things that I got at the drugstore, then just keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I love you guys very much. Put the intro in right now. Let's do this.
I just want to show you off. I don't want to do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
So first I'm going in with this Master Prime by Maybelline. It's a primer. It's the Blur and Smooth number 100. It works really good on fine lines and pores. Then I'm mixing these two foundations together, the Maybelline Fit Me and the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I wanted a little bit of a luminosity. Then I'm putting that in my face, pouncing it on my face with my Morphe M439 brush. The perfect brush for foundation. Make sure I'm getting down my neck, in between my brows, and just keep pouncing it in. Then I'm using this Coty Airspun just to set the foundation. It's still going to keep a glowy look because of that L'Oreal foundation, so don't worry. There we go. Just get that all over. I like to really spread the powder out so I don't have a cakey face. Then I'm going to spray with my Mario Badescu, and then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm also going to use that as eye primer, so I'm going to put it on my lids. I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to take this Morphe G2 concealer brush. I love this brush for concealer. I'm just going to tap it in. It makes it really easy, and just pounce that concealer in. Then I'm going to use my fingers to make sure I have absolutely no creases. Then this Eco Tools brush that I got, which was really inexpensive, is perfect because of the flat side of it to chisel out my underneath my contour and bake under my eyes. I'm using my Coty Airspun powder, which is another affordable item. This is the perfect sponge. You got to go get it. Then I'm going in with this new Rimmel MAGNIF'EYES Crimson Edition. It's supposed to be like the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. I'm going to swatch it for you real fast so you can see the colors. They don't have names, so you're just going to have to look at the swatches. They turned out pretty good. They're pretty pigmented, especially for drugstore. I paid $7.49 for this palette. It was a great deal. And the way it performs on the eyes is amazing, so just keep watching. Don't worry about the swatches. It's the way it performs. But I just figured I'd put the swatches in for those who like that. So yeah, they're pretty good. Then I'm going in with my Morphe crease brush, which is the M433, and I'm buffing in the transition shade above my crease as per the usual, because that's going to make whatever shade you put in the crease blend perfectly. So there we go. Then I'm going in with this next shade with my crease brush, and I'm just going to work that in. Don't worry, we'll blend it out later. I like to lay the shadows first and then blend. That's my technique. That's the way I do it. So there we go. Then I'm going to take my Morphe Fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend that out. Going windshield wiper motions and then circular towards the end. And see, these are blending great for drugstore. I'm telling you, you got to get this palette. My mom told me about it and I was just like hesitant. And then I was like, bam, this palette's a bomb. Now I'm going in with that kind of red maroon color into the inner corner of my crease, or however you call it. And I'm just buffing that out, just to give it a nice fall look. There we go. This is so easy. These shadows are so easy to work with. Then I'm taking my blending brush again, my Morphe blending brush, and I am going to go with the transition color and just make sure everything blends out seamlessly. That's the trick to make it work. There's my husband dancing in the background. Okay. Then I'm going to take that glitter color and put it towards where the outer V is, right by the brown, just to give it a little extra something something. Yeah, then I'm going to take my finger just to pack it on. Look how much better it performs with my finger. Then spread it out a little bit with the brush. Then I'm going to spray my Morphe G14 lid brush, and I'm going to put on that gold shade right from the inner corner of my lid to the where that other shimmer is. And then I am going to take my crease brush and blend it all out. That way you'll have no lines and it'll look perfect. Then I'm taking my E36 from Morphe, doing my inner corner and my brow bone with the lightest shade in the palette. I think it did a great job. There we go. Then I'm just going to deepen up that crease one more time with that brown in the palette. Sorry, I hate when they don't have names, but you get the idea. This is just to show you how well they perform. There we go, putting that brown in the crease. It'll just give it more depth. Then I'm going back in with the M433 by Morphe and buffing that all out nicely. Okay. Then I'm going in with this glitter. This was like 99 cents from Wet n Wild. It's gold glitter, just to give it something, just to show you that with drugstore products, you can get a glam look. So, and it works, these glitters work great. Then I'm dusting off my bake. And see, everything came together. I'm spraying again. I'm going in with this Wet n Wild contour stick. But you know what? It breaks. In the arms of an angel. We're going to put it back. That's what we're going to do. We're going to make this work. Maybe I should apply less pressure. Oh, that's a lot of contour. Well, that's seen better days. Okay, back to the voiceover. So now that we got through that together, we're just going to buff it out using this contour brush. We're just going to buff, 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 and it's going to all work out in the end. Don't worry. Buff up, don't forget. Then I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the darkest shade they have and just set my cream contour. I like doing that. That way you won't have any separation. Then I'm going in with this LA Colors Rad Rouge blush. I got this at the Family Dollar. It was super cheap, and I'm just going to go above where I laid my contour. It looks very pigmented, but I'm going to do a trick in about 2 seconds. All right, I'm going to take the Coty Airspun and a nice fluffy brush and go right over where I laid that contour and that blush so that everything works together seamlessly and perfect. Next, I'm going back into the palette to work on my lower lash line with that brown and my Morphe E36. Then I'm going to top it with that red that we used in the crease, and then one last time with that glitter red, just to give it an extra pop. Yeah, just like that. It looks beautiful. I love this palette. Seriously, it worked out really good for me. So I approve, yes. All right, now we're going to go in with highlighter, the Makeup Revolution Cream Highlighter in Golden Lights. I'm going to pounce that on with my Beauty Blender just so that my powder highlight sticks better and gives me a really nice glow from within. I'm going down my nose. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold, which is my favorite drugstore highlighter, on my Morphe 501 brush, and I am going to buff that out, and it's going to look so good. Wait till you go outside. It's just the perfect highlight. Down my nose, Cupid bow, you got it. Then I'm going to go in with this angled brush, and I'm going to contour my nose with the Rimmel palette. Why not, right? Make life easier. Don't worry, it looks dark, but I'm just going to buff it out with this buffing brush, the small buffing brush, and I'm going to be snatched. Now I'm going in with this Mega Last mascara by Wet n Wild, and it's going to be perfect. Now I'm going with number 85 from the Maybelline Superstay collection, which is called Protector. All right, guys, that's the finished look. I hope you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.